In this video, I'm going to show you how you can group multiple images together in Google Docs. However, it is important to note that it is not possible. It is not a feature in Google Docs that allows you to group multiple elements or multiple images together the way that you can do in Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint. However, we can leverage a feature called drawing in Google Docs to basically insert multiple images, and basically we can treat them together as a single element. Let me give you an example. First, I'm going to start with a blank new document, but feel free to use on your existing document. Now go to Insert, click Table, and click New. This is the area where we can insert our images. I'm going to click the image button, and you can source the images from whatever sources you want, but in this case, I'm going to just search some images from the internet. Let's try wind turbine, and I'm going to select some photos. Unfortunately, I can only select one photo at a time, but that's all right. So let's start with this photo, and I'm going to repeat the process all over again to, let's say I want to insert 2 or maybe 3 images, and just to give you an idea about how we can do this. So this is the second image. I'm going to make it smaller. Don't worry, we can resize the photos again. So I think I'm going to select this picture. Right, okay, now we have 3 different pictures, and we can move them on different area. You can place them on top of another, and you can even create collage, photo collage if you want to. I have created a tutorial about that on my channel. You can check it out if you want to make the photo to look good. But this is basically the idea. This is how you can insert multiple images in your document. And when you're done, you can click Save and Close, and that basically will merge all those images together. And this is going to be a single file, meaning that if you move this element, let me apply some text wrapping, I can move them together. They are basically being treated as a single object, not like you have multiple images. And if you want to add or remove some images, just click on this element again and then click Edit. This will bring you the drawing menu again, where you can modify the image to whatever you want. So that's basically how you can group multiple images together in Google Docs. I hope this video helps you.